Hello guys, my name is Saddam Leonardo Cap and I am welcoming you in my channel. In this video, I am going to teach about Mathematica. The first question you want to ask me then, what is Mathematica? So, little by little, I am going to explain you everything in this video about Mathematica. First, I am answering your one question. First question, what is Mathematica? Mathematica is a computer application. What I am using here, the Windows application. You can have the Mathematica for Apple and also Linux applications too. The thing is, what does Mathematica do? Mathematica actually solves problem. Which kind of problem? The problem is in mathematical nature. So it can solve any problem in Mathematica, whatever you are going to give. Mathematica do all these things from arithmetic to integral calculus, differentiation, matrix problem, everything. Mathematica has a very advanced artificial intelligence in which it is running. For my research purpose, I use Mathematica a lot because I am a theoretical physicist and I do solve my whole mathematical problem using Mathematica. So this is the first video I am making on Mathematica, and there will be series of lectures, series of videos on this. So you just follow my channel and please subscribe my channel for upcoming videos. So let's get started. Well, actually, if you type here 2, then it appears very small. The notebook is set in 100%. So from here, if you will click, here is your magnification chart. Maybe it is 200%, okay, 300%, maybe 150 or 200 is visible to you. So for an example, I want to write something. So here you can see the cursor. Cursor is in horizontal direction. You can see here. Now, whenever you want to see this horizontal direction, just click there. And what you want to do? Maybe I want to write 2. Then press enter. Then it will give you the 2. Maybe you want to write 3. So just enter, and the output is given to you in 3. Maybe I want to add these two numbers, 2 plus 3. What will you give? That is 5. Just enter. Now, for an example, I want to multiply it 2 into 3. Now you understand the basics of it, that it can do everything. So set my magnification to 150%, 150%, and let's see. Okay, fine. Can you divide 2 over 3? What happens? Only 2 over 3. Okay, it doesn't give me any value. For an example, if I am multiplying 1.5 times 6, what it will give? It is 9.0. It is not giving. It is not showing. For example, I am multiplying 1.5 into 2.7. What is going to give me? Enter. 4.05. Yeah, it is going to give us. But why anything doesn't happen to 2 by 3? Well, when you click on this 2 by 3, now what you have some suggestions here. It is called suggestion bar. Automatically it detects the whatever you have given the input, and based on the output it will give its suggestions, and from these suggestions you can also operate, or you can apply your thing. For an example, you want in decimal, in integer type value from 2 by 3, what you can suggest here, the numerical value. So n, and then you can whatever you want, everything goes in square bracket. So n of 2 by 3 will give you 0.667. For an example, I want to divide maybe 5 over 8. I don't know what does it give me. So what I can write here, numerical it is n, then square bracket open, 5 over 8, and then square bracket close. And then what we have to do, if I am making just enter, it is not giving me anything. Just pressing enter won't give me result. What you have to do is then press shift and then enter. So whenever you have to enter something, or you have to enter some data, then you have to understand that this horizontal cursor has to be pop up. Well, what else we can do? We can do everything. For an example, I want to know what is a plus b whole square giving me. A plus b, let's say whole square. So how we'll write? We write shift and then wedge button and then square this, or we can write here into a plus b. Both are same thing. So let's see. Now if I am pressing enter, nothing will happen. So I have to press shift plus enter. So a plus b square, b whole square. But what is the formula of this thing? A plus b whole square. I don't know. So to understand what is because we haven't assigned any value to a and b. So a plus b, it is just showing me a plus b whole square. But we know a plus b whole square is your a square plus 2ab plus b square. But I don't know what is the formula is. But because this machine isn't showing anything. So what we can write here, right? Expand expan, just expand it. Now we will type here square bracket open, and then you'll press a plus b. Okay, and then shift this one wedge button and then square. So if you press so you know how this wedge button will come. I think you will know. Then here is your formula: a square plus 2ab plus b square. That's all. That is solving your problem. Now this is too much basic. Okay, so this is the way we can do. For an example, I don't know what is my a and b. How can we assign a and b? For an example, I am writing here a plus b. Okay, I have some problem here, like a plus b whole square. But the thing is that if I am pressing enter, it is giving me a plus b whole square. I want to know if how can I assign some value to a. For assigning that, what I can do is write a is equal to maybe 1, and then we press shift enter. So a is now have the value of 1. Similarly, for b is equal to 2 and shift enter, then we will eventually goes to 2. Now you see the a, first of all, the a was in blue color. When you have assigned it, it has some kind of a value. Now it has turned into this black thing. So whatever the value goes, and whatever you type, for example, you type d. Now you haven't assigned anything to d. Okay, you haven't assigned anything, but it is showing in a black texture, in a black color. It means that it already given in the system that it has some kind of operation, or it has some kind of property. So you cannot take d as a variable. For example, if I'm writing d is equal to 2, so what has happened? So it will saying you that symbol d is protected, means that you cannot assign any value. So if, for an example, d is my protected, so how we can assign value to d? So we can do is just dt. Now dt, there is nothing value assigned to dt, so dt is my one variable. Okay, one box, one letter. Now if I am writing here 5, so what happens? dt will be 5. So whenever you put just dd and then shift enter, it will give you 5, means dd has the value 5. So if I am writing a and then shift enter, it is having value a 1, and b shift enter, it is having value 2. So if I want to know that what does a plus b will give me, that is so much simple. A plus b whole square is 9. Okay, because my a is 1, b is 2, 1 plus 2, 3 square goes to 9. For an example, I want to change my a is equal to, let's say, 22/7. Okay, now if I want to understand what is the value of a, now the value of a changed to 22/7. It is no longer have the value 1. Similarly, if I'm writing b is equal to maybe 89, okay, that is 89. I want to whole square a plus b to the power whole squared. What happens? This one. Okay, I can also take numerical value of it. Numerical value is 8490 is 3. Maybe I can do a plus b whole cube. What happens? This guy. So what I can do here, I can write numerical of whatever the value goes here, this one. So I don't have to write every time. Similarly, I can change here, make to 4. Okay, this will change, maybe 5, maybe 50. You don't have to worry about anything. Okay, that is the interesting thing. Now you can what we can do is that maybe I want to whatever the value I have assigned to a and b, I just want to clear everything. I don't want that a must not be now protected. Now I want that a must be a, b must be b. How we can do it? Simple. Just write clear C in capital, then LEAR, and then square bracket, say a, and then here it goes. So whatever the value it has a, now it is not containing any kind of value. Similarly, just click here and remove the a and b. So your b is clear now. So b is now kind of a variable. It is not assigned any kind of value. So if I want to do here that what a plus b to the power 50, what is the formula of a to the power 50? Then we can write here expand. Here is expand, enter it. So this is the formula of a plus b to the power 50. Maybe you can check it with squared. A squared plus 2ab plus b squared. Maybe 3. A cube plus 3a squared plus 3ab squared plus b cube. Maybe what is 4? Interesting, isn't it? A4, 2, 4, a cube b, this one. 6. Wow. So it is giving you everything that what could be possible thing will happen. Maybe I want to write here a plus b to the power 6 minus a to the power 6 plus b to the power 6. Then what will it give? Just it will give this one. Okay. So that is a very interesting stuff, that what happens to anything. Now here you have suggestions like 3D plot, simplify. Maybe you can do some factor. Maybe you can take some derivative. Okay. So there everything goes like here. So this is the way, this is the simple basics what you can do here. Okay. So we have learned that it can do arithmetic thing and it can solve a symbolic way, just giving you some kind of variable and it will show you the output. Okay. So maybe we can write here a plus b. Now in bracket, one bracket goes here, another bracket goes this way, and then this one, maybe a square, I am writing here a square plus b squared. Okay. Now what will it give? Nothing. But I want to make it more simplified. Can it simplify more? So what we have to write here? Simplify. And then I don't want to write the same equations here. So what we can do here, just percentage. And what is the percent output here? 63 output. So just percentage 63. It will simplify. Because it cannot further simplify, therefore it is showing me this one, that yeah, I cannot further simplify it. Now you can also type full simplify. Here full simplify is there, just enter and then type percentage, and whatever the output will go, maybe 63, that's 63 goes here. So there is nothing, one cannot solve further any further, therefore it is showing me that a plus b over a square plus b square. But if you have many long expression, it will solve so further, it will also manage your whole equations and so on. For an example, let's solve a linear equation. So how can we solve the linear equation? If we have x plus y is equal to 2. Now if you are using this 1 equal to, it means that it is actually storing some kind of a value. So to make it equal, we have to put double equal. And double equal is equal to 4. Now you see, nothing is going to black. Everything is now variable. So x plus y is 4. Enter. Similarly, y plus 2x. Okay, 2x is equal to 10. Okay, 2x plus y is protected because sorry, because we cannot write here, yeah, obviously y plus 2x is equal to 10. So we have two equations and I want to solve for this one. How we can solve it? To solve, I am going to write here solve, and I am going to write this one, x plus y is equal to 4. So how we can write here? Simple, put the curly bracket, this one, then comma, and again I'm going to copy this equation, sorry, and then close this curly bracket, and I am going to solve for x and y. So here I am going to write x comma y. So these are my variables which I am going to solve. Now close the square bracket and boom, x is equal to 6, y is equal to -2. So you don't have to worry about anything. You just make some statement and it will going to give you anything. For an example, I am making it x, maybe x square. Okay, so can it be solved? Yes, it is giving me in some kind of a complex form that this is the solution. For an example, here again it's also squared. Wow. So x square plus y is equal to 4 and y plus 2x square, it is giving me square root of minus this one. For this, it is giving me something. For an example, if I want to solve the quadratic equation in form of like this, maybe 2x plus 78. Solve for x. So here is one variable, therefore I am writing it here x. Wow. So here is the answer. X is equal to minus this one. Maybe it is 8. This one. Maybe it is 8. So x minus 2, x is equal to 0 for satisfy it. It will satisfy. Maybe it is 0. Then Again, we have this kind of solution. So, first of all, you don't have to understand what is going on. It will not give you what is going on step by step, but it is going you the what is the result of this equation. So you can solve the cubic equation, maybe x cube. What happens? So here in symbolic form, everything is in symbolic form. Okay, so solve is for symbolic form when you don't know anything about it. So 2x square maybe, so this is the solution for it, or maybe 8x plus 9. So here is again solution. Maybe 4, it is solution 4x. So there is a cubic equation, and for cubic equation we have the solution. Maybe it is 4. What happens? So here is a solution, the 4 solutions. X means this equation. One value of x is 1. This one is x2. This one is x3, and this one is x4. So this is too much simple to do all these things here, and it is too much outstanding. Now x square plus 2x square, it is giving you the two solutions of it. So this is the way. It is the first video, and I am giving you something about that how the Mathematica is actually working. I hope you understand my point. In the second video, I will try to solve some integral and some differentiation, and also I am giving you something more advanced, that how you can assign some value, how you can solve some difficult equations, and what are the different things you can play with, and how can you plot some graphs and so on. So if you like my video, if you like this video, please subscribe my channel and share to your friends. Thank you so much.